We're breaking through the concretion now. Confirmed visual on ornate metalwork. It looks like gold.
Oh my gosh! Look at all the coins! Incredible!
As the submersible reorients, the lights catch an unnatural green glimmer in the silt.
After centuries in darkness, the first gold doubloon is exposed. Now, the hydraulic arm must execute a perfect... After centuries hidden in the darkness, the galleon finally begins to yield its secrets. A pristine gold...
Oh my God, look at that. It's solid gold.
Heavily coated in marine patina, this doubloon represents a tangible link to the sunken galleon's tragic past.
Look at this. There's another one right underneath it.
Look at this. There's a whole stack here. Keep brushing, there must be more.
Oh, wow. Lights on. We have multiple chests, gold, silver, and are those emeralds?
Stand by 1 moment.
Inside the strong room, centuries of silt obscured the truth. But beneath the patina, the unmistakable glint of Spanish gold. And as the sediment clears, the unmistakable luster of authentic Spanish gold shines through the darkness for the first time in centuries.
Look at that. It's incredible. The emerald is still glowing after all this time.
Inside the oak strong room, the extern brush away the murky sediment, revealing a stunning wood artifact. A large
'This emerald, untouched for centuries, flashes with a vivid green fire unlike anything we've seen. "1,200 meters down, the strong room finally reveals its secrets. These silver ingots confirm the identity of the Ghost Galleon.
The contrast is striking. The brilliant gold doubloon, fresh from the conservation tank, sits beside an emerald.
Behind the silver stack, it looks like a leather satchel.
Gently prod the surface. The calcareous deposit seems brittle.
Copy that. Arm engaging the mound now.
Sediment plume initiating. Maintain current heading.
All right, initiating the cleaning sequence now. Steady as she goes.
Methodical brushing reveals the distinct circular shape of a gold doubloon, hidden for centuries beneath the silt.
Holding position on the stern strong room.
Unbelievable. That's high purity gold showing through the deposit.
A delicate operation as the claw lifts the ancient gold doubloon, revealing centuries of marine deposit and patina. The archaeological probe confirms the find. A heavily encrusted silver ingot, lying hidden in the silt of the strong room for centuries. Centuries of silt washed away, revealing the royal crest and the mark of King Philip. A definitive historical marker found.
Brushing confirms the doubloon is solid gold. Lifting the emerald piece now.
Roger that. This is an unprecedented find.
Gently, the brush clears the patina of ages. And there, for the first time in centuries,
as the brush clears the calcareous deposit, the first glint of high-purity gold emerges, undisturbed for centuries. Centuries of sediment are carefully brushed away, revealing the first glimpse of the legendary treasure from the galleon's stern. A final sweep of the brush reveals the unmistakable edge of a Spanish gold doubloon, hidden for centuries in the wreckage. As the sediment clears, the sheer scale of the discovery comes into focus. This strong room holds thousands of gold doubloons.
As the grime clears, the date 1715 and the Spanish crest become visible. An incredible piece of history.
In the darkness of the wreck, an unmistakable green glint confirms the find.